Exciting news as Bridgeport Boatworks and Hornblower Group announces the launch of 6 scholarships totaling $15,000, supporting students in Porter and Chester Institute's new welding program located at their Bridgeport campus.
What I'm excited about is the fact that our industry has been looking for people to come and join the ranks that have been thinning out over the years.
Hornblower Group and Porter and Chester have put together this partnership because we need to hire qualified individuals that have been through some training and have the basic skill set that we're looking for to come in here and work at the shipyard.
There's quite a variety of product mix here, from commercial boats into private yachts, and obviously lots of sailing craft here.
Ken Youngchild is the general manager of Bridgeport Boatworks, located in the burgeoning Steel Point Harbor in Bridgeport, Connecticut.
Where all this ties in with Porter and Chester is that beyond the metal trades that we have that are very important in a shipyard, it is only one tiny component of what a shipyard is.
Providing full-service work on both commercial and recreational boats of all sizes, as well as many other services. This is yet an example of another industry that utilizes folks in the skilled trades.
So any kind of mechanical skills, that could even cross over from automotive. You have electrical, hydraulics, plumbing, HVAC, cabinetry are all very, very popular trades here.
The new welding program is an excellent fit for us because the students that graduate from that program will have the basic knowledge and skill set to come in and immediately start working.
John Thompson is a senior marine design engineer for Hornblower, a worldwide industry leader in the hospitality and transportation industry. And it's here at Bridgeport Boatworks where Hornblower Group maintains their East Coast fleet of vessels, as well as those of outside clients.
And we're trying to get an incentive and get people interested to take on this career and realize there's a lot more that's offered than just a day-to-day job. It's a real career with growth potential.
Right now, the maritime industry as a whole is experiencing huge growth, and the demand for welders is high.
The education that we're offering is the cutting-edge technology, like our simulators, where students can apply the theory without the fears that might come with working with the technology for the first time.
Many thanks to Bridgeport Boatworks and Hornblower Group for this amazing partnership and opportunity for Porter and Chester Institute students. We invite you to go to porterchester.edu to learn more. That's porterchester.edu.